The Bali Puppetry Festival and Seminar is the first festival where artists and intellectuals from various countries come to interact, share, learn, create, and enrich the art of puppetry in performances, seminar, and culture visits.
Saya sangat senang, bangga bisa terlibat di dalam acara Bali Puppetry Festival dan Seminar tahun 2013 kali ini. Ini sebuah acara luar biasa karena kami terlibat dengan bersama-sama melakukan pertunjukan dengan kawan-kawan seniman dari berbagai mancanegara. Untuk itu kami tidak lupa saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Rumah Topeng selaku penyelenggara sekaligus pemrakarsa acara ini, dan semoga Rumah Topeng tetap eksis di dalam rangka mengembangkan seni budaya, terutama khasanah seni budaya dari bangsa kita. Terima kasih.
Festival has been very exciting and very interesting. We get to see a lot of performances and we get to hear lots of papers written by researchers and experts from the field of puppetry and other sorts of performances, especially rituals that are based in the whole of Asia. Well, we have invited guests as well from other parts of Asia, but then we know that we should be proud of our Southeast Asian culture and heritage. And we would like to thank the House of Puppets and Masks for giving us this opportunity to join the Bali Puppetry Festival and Seminar.
Dan atas nama grup kami, tidak lupa kami sampaikan ucapan terima kasih kepada Bapak Prayit.
Semoga sukses untuk acara-acara selanjutnya.
Yeah, hi, I'm Yausi May from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Thank you so much for having all this Bali Puppet Festival 2013, and I would like to thank Setia Dharma House and also all the sponsors, BCA, for having this because it's wonderful.
We are the Filipinos and we're so happy that we are here, and the performance was really great. And we enjoyed performing to the audience. We have some other people from other countries like Australia, Iran, Czechoslovakia, Myanmar, and Indonesians, Malaysians, and others. And we look forward to committing ourselves to the next festival. And I hope you will come and visit us next year. Or even these coming days, we still have some performances and seminar. And we would like to invite everybody watching now. I'd like to give the microphone to my colleague here, Rio. Would like to say something?
I hope all the people in Indonesia enjoy watching our performance, and we appreciate your hospitality. Thank you.
Thank you. See you then. Bye-bye.
Di dunia ini yang saya dukung cuma satu, dangdut.
Terima kasih untuk Museum Wayang dan Topeng Secah Dharma karena sudah mengundang kami.
I'm the founder and the puppeteer of the Manali Marionette Theatre in Manali, Myanmar. So I am very glad to have this opportunity to participate in this Bali Puppetry and Seminar Festival. This is my first time to be here in Bali. I've never been to Bali, and then I have seen many, and then also I've never seen Indonesian and Java puppets, Bali puppets. I've never seen. So now I have seen many different kind of international puppets, and then also Sheru puppets of Java, Indonesia also. That's why I'm very grateful to the festival.
Thank you, House of Mask and Puppets.
Saya mengucapkan terima kasih dengan acara ini karena menampilkan seluruh dalang-dalang di luar negeri dan di Indonesia.